was very stressful. They didn't have dessert, which was horrible. That's what happened with the badger. Okay. Yes, I saw it! So she doesn't die. They'll come after you and kill you.
Are you excited for Girls Camp?
Yes.
Are you tired? Aww. Turn around, let's see how big your bag is.
I'm on the edge of
Let me see how big your bag is. It's about as big as when you went to that overnight thing. But you only have to pack that one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see your lunch. Is there a lot of food in there? Can we see what you're taking for lunch really quick and then we'll go? Hurry. This is, you had to pack a lunch. I'm just curious what you're taking. Oh my gosh. A drink, a sandwich. Cool. Well, you're not gonna starve, huh? Nope. You probably have some extra you can eat later. Okay, I'll see you in a few days. Love you. Give me hugs. Give me hugs. You don't even care. She's like, I'm sleepy. Give Dad hugs. Hurry, give Dad a hug. We gotta go.
My stomach hurts.
You'll be all right. Bye. Say bye.
See you in a few days.
Looks like it's gonna rain. Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
It's not intense.
Huh? At least you're not intense. Okay. So dark, huh?
Yeah.
At least it's not 4 in the morning. Oh my gosh, it's so dark in the car. It's too dark. Getting ready to leave. There's so many people. We're at the church waiting for the kids to get back. I miss her so much.
Yeah, we missed her a lot.
It's been a long week of us just walking around the house. Where's she at?
Not knowing what to do. It's been too quiet.
Dad decided to start a diet right after she left. Or no, right before she left.
Right before. Yeah, that was a bad idea.
Yes. So I had bought Oreos and chips. Thought we'd just watch movies and veg out. Well, he chose to take veg out literally and decided to just eat veggies.
I don't
Nothing
know
but
how
veggies.
vegetarians do it.
So potatoes for breakfast with corn, I think, and then you had some
Green beans.
and
let's
homemade
see,
spaghetti
squash.
spaghetti sauce with no sugar or salt.
That was good, but that was the time that I
Over
started
zucchini
going downhill,
noodles, zucchini noodles, and chopped up mushrooms for your meat.
too. Yeah, that was a bad idea.
But
Misguided.
we were rescued. We were rescued by a really good friend, and she showed
yeah.
up with some KFC.
Yeah, thank you.
So
Thanks, Shelly.
Dad decided to just give in and eat the chicken.
I gave in before the chicken.
Okay, he
but
did. He gave in.
The chicken was wonderful.
And then his stomach rebelled and said, "What are you doing? Veggies for 3 days and then you're throwing meat in here? We need CoCo
Another
back.
bad idea.
We need her back."
We need regularity in our life.
I know. She should be here. I can't wait. Hopefully she's here soon.
Hopefully soon.
No.
There she's home.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
Where's your dad? Go give him hugs. So, you slept in your clothes.
Yeah, because we were gonna get eaten by a badger.
You were gonna get eaten by a badger?
Yes.
A badger? What's a badger?
A badger is an animal that'll rip a dog apart.
There was a badger up there?
I got sunburned on my skin.
What? Ow, did you not put sunscreen on it?
No.
He loved the meals, except for one day they had a chicken salad
She likes salad.
on a croissant.
For lunch,
A chicken salad with chicken
grapes.
with
Gross.
grapes. She didn't like the idea of mixing grapes with chicken.
No.
Did anybody sleep on the way up?
I would have
I
slept.
did.
Yeah.
You did?
I would have slept. It was 6 o'clock in the morning. Who's we had to set up? I just don't know who. I've never been there. I don't know.
Mom's
Our
never had a
ward
girls'
has,
camp.
each ward has one cabin.
Okay, I didn't know that either.
Well,
Okay.
the YCLs had their own cabin. They're
What's
the oldest.
YCL?
They're the oldest people.
Youth
in-
camp leader.
Oh. So anyways, they had their own cabin.
Yeah, so we had 6 people, like, not counting the YCLs. And we went and we had 6 cabins in our, 6 bunks in our cabin. Top and bottom was 1 bunk.
Okay.
We each got the
Like
top
a
and the
bunk
bottom.
bed, not like
Oh,
3
that's
high.
cool.
We each
You each got a top and a bottom? Oh my
Nice.
gosh. So you had 2 beds?
Yeah.
Oh, but one was probably where you put your
Put all your stuff.
But, and then Ariana was like, I want to come, like, sleep with you guys, because our cabin is boring, because we had all the food.
Because you guys had all the food?
And so she came and slept above, like, so I was on the top with this, and she was on my side.
On another bunk?
Yeah.
So you just had all your stuff on the bottom?
Were the bunks just like wood and you just put your bedding and stuff on top of that?
Air
We brought
one?
air mattresses.
Huh?
Like,
People had fat air mattresses even though you were told you couldn't?
well, they were more than 5 inches.
Well, that was
They were
weird.
just like a single.
Ah. Well, they never got back to us. How was your? Did you sleep okay?
Yeah.
And see, you didn't have to pack a big mattress like some of those girls I saw them with big, huge mattresses.
It got super hot in our cabin.
Hot.
It got like 80 degrees at
Good thing you
night.
didn't take a sleeping
And
bag.
we had to open all of the windows.
Ugh.
And then it, and
Probably
then,
didn't need all the blankets you took, huh?
You just lay on top of all of them for cushion.
no, I still,
Got inside of it.
Gotta use them.
I used his oak blankie
Quakey,
for,
okay. Quakey, what is it?
Quakey.
for
Quakey.
another pillow. Because that pillow,
Went flat.
no, because we had a party on my bed.
You had a party on your bed?
Yeah.
Who
Yeah,
all
like-
went to your party?
We had like 5 people on the top, just on my bed, and we thought it was gonna collapse. It was scary.
That's awesome.
Why were they all in your bed? Was your bed the cool bed? Everyone wanted to party with you.
Emily came on my bed, and then everybody else came.
Emily's like, I'm going over to your bed. Did they see that you had treats and that's why they came over? Because that's what I would go for.
Everybody had treats.
Really? It's a good thing we packed snacks because it wasn't on the list.
What did she said? Some girl brought 2 big bags of Tootsie Rolls.
The leader.
And then you just sit there eating Tootsie Rolls all weekend.
Well, I ate like 100 the first day, and then I got really sick.
You ate 100 Tootsie Rolls?
Well,
At least. There's 700 in a bag.
not. I might have only eaten 50, but I got really sick the next day.
700 in a bag, and she had 2 bags.
That's a lot
You
of
had
Tootsie
2
Rolls.
bags there.
Did you get any of the candy bars they threw out?
Like,
Whatever that day was, the last day?
yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So was your cabin nice?
Yeah. We had 8 girls in our cabin.
8 girls in the cabin, huh?
And then, well, we had 10 counting Jody and me.
So the leaders stayed in your cabin as well?
Yeah. So we weren't alone. No,
So
there were 8 bunks.
8 bunks. Okay.
Jody got a top and bottom. Ray got a top and bottom. There was like a separate room with the leaders stuff. Like there wasn't a door.
So did they hear you guys having a party on your bed? Or like,
It was like,
quiet down in there.
it was during free time, so we could do anything we wanted.
Ah,
Cool.
free time's my favorite time.
Yeah.
But at what cost?
Jody went to the obstacle course yesterday, and there was arts and crafts for 4 hours.
What did you make for 4 hours?
We didn't go
Oh, jeez.
because we didn't want to.
So what did you do for
We
that
made
time?
friendship bracelets, and we
Cool.
so we had like 5 hours of free time.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, that was yesterday?
Mhm.
Did you guys go on any hikes?
Well, if you consider like a nature walk
Yeah.
as a hike, then we did two nature walks. Well, it was one nature walk. We went to check out the lake and like see where we were gonna go canoeing
Did you go canoeing?
yesterday.
Awesome.
You like canoeing? Was it like different than Beaver? When you was up at
It
Beaver
was
canoeing?
easier.
Huh?
It was easier
Is there more than one person in a boat?
to. Well, you can have 2 to 3 in a canoe, and then they had paddle boats.
Pretty fast across the lake
Yeah, we were trying to get people wet.
with your paddles flipping water.
Yeah, and Brooklyn got Rosemary soaking wet. Like, she was like dripping wet, and then she's like, psh, and I'm like soaking wet, and I'm like, yes.
Well, because you
But it
couldn't
felt
go
good.
swimming,
Because
but
they had leeches,
yeah, that's not good.
but we didn't get any leeches on us.
So what? So when you got on the bus and you slept going up there, and you get there and you unload everything, and then that so Monday night, or once you got your bed set up and all your stuff up there, and then what'd you guys do? Just hang out? Oh, she's like, let me
I'll
get
tell
my
you.
schedule. Did you get that on the bus or up there?
Up there, and we also got these shirts.
They're super cute.
They did them for like beehives and Laurels and Libraries and stuff.
So BeeHive's got pink. Cute.
Okay, so at 9:30 we got to camp and settled into our cabins for an hour and a half, and then we had orientation, and then we ate lunch.
What did you have for lunch?
Subway.
Subway. Did you eat all the lunch
Good.
that that we packed in there? Or did you save some for?
I gave some to some people because they're like, "You have string cheese." I'm like, "Yeah, you could just have it."
You have Jello? Did anybody want your Jello?
No.
Okay.
Okay, and then all the ward leaders, so like everybody was gone except the girls again. So they went to the challenge course training to like figure out how.
The leaders did and just left all the girls alone at camp.
Well, there were people like adults there.
Just not leaders. What adults? Like cooks and chefs?
Well, Chantel was there,
Oh, okay.
but yeah. And then they went to figure out how to do the course because.
Before they took. Did you guys get to go to it?
Yeah. we
Cool.
did it.
Okay, so then after
And
lunch.
then they passed out shirts and this and stuff. And then we had group pictures. And then we had
With the shirts on?
Yeah, and then we had I Feel My Savior's Love presentation. And then overnighter group leaves. Oh, I'll tell you another story about that last week.
What? I can't hear you.
All the YCLs went on an overnighter.
They left camp and went somewhere else?
Yeah, on Monday till Tuesday. And it was. Did you guys get rained on Monday night?
Not really.
Might have, but we were in the house.
Yeah, I don't know if it rained or not.
Okay, so they said that you can bring a tent and like lay in the tent, or you can just like lay on the ground and look at the stars. and it was pouring rain. And so, Olivia is another YCL. She brought a 4-man tent, and her, Olivia, Odessa, Ariana, and another person slept in it. And then there was like 4 people like outside in the rain.
Oh, no.
And they all climbed in a 4-man tent. And there were 8 people in a 4-man tent, and they were
That was their overnighter?
yeah. And they reenact it, and Odessa's like, she snores so loud. So yeah, so we did that. So they left, and then we had crafts, and then we had free time, and then we had evening devotional. So like we talk and like sing and do announcements and stuff.
Talk and sing and do announcements?
Yeah.
Okay.
What we're gonna do and what we need to do.
Oh, okay.
Then we had dinner. Then we had family home evening.
After family home evening, are you on Tuesday or are you still on Monday
I'm
night?
still on Monday.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so family home evening and then...
We had another half hour of free time. And then we had ward time. And then we got ready for bed. Because get ready for bed / PJS, which is prayer, journal, scripture study. So we had that from 9:30 to 10:30. And then at 10:30 we had lights out.
You were up till 10:30 every night?
Well, except last night. Last night was scary.
Did you tell them your bedtime is 7:30?
Yeah, you need to be
No,
in bed by
it's
7:30.
It's
8:30.
8:30.
8:30. Your bedtime's 8:30, so you gotta stay up 2 hours past your bedtime every day this week.
Yeah. Well, except last night. We stayed up like till like 3. Okay, anyways.
Oh my goodness.
So we go to sleep at 10:30, and then we have to wake up at 7 o'clock in the
Yeah.
morning. And then we have morning devotional, and then we have breakfast. Then we have family time.
What'd you have for breakfast?
I don't remember.
Just any breakfast.
Oh, for Tuesday we had pancakes.
I like
And then we had family time, and then we had solitude time.
family time. Well, like your little house family?
No, they put us in groups of people.
Like fake families?
Pretend.
Pretend families, I mean?
Yeah, and I didn't like it, but whatever. You're with this family, and you're with this family.
We're all
Yes.
sisters in this family together.
Yes. So,
Why don't you like your family?
because nobody talked to me. Anyways, we had family time, and then we had solitude time where we had to go find a quiet place, and we had to like not talk to anybody and just think about stuff.
How was that?
Was the solitude time right after family time? Because I'd be sitting there thinking about my family that didn't talk to me and how rude they were. They should have spaced those out more.
Anyways, and then we had We've Been Great is by Faith presentation.
Is that nice?
I don't remember them.
Okay.
We
Yeah.
had a whole bunch of them.
Okay.
And then we had, family time on Tuesday, like before solitude time, was with our ward because they hadn't put us together. So after the presentation, they grouped us together for an hour. And then we had dinner. And then we had music. Music is where we just sing for a half hour.
Do you sing hymns or do you just sing anything?
Like, we have like camp songs and
Oh, fun.
yes, it was very stressful. Okay, and then we woke up at 7 a.m.
Was that your favorite part of camp?
No.
I know how much you like staying up late and getting up early. Every day was the same pretty much, except what made the day different?
We had different stuff, like hikes, and then we did a service project where we like moved the logs and trees and stuff.
Oh, that would be nice, huh?
Not really. Because there were ticks in the wood, and some people got ticks. It was really
Keep that
gross.
down, thank you.
We had crafts again. And then we had evening devotional. And then we had dinner. And then we had music. And then we had the meeting again. And then we had to get ready for bed. And then we had lights out. And then we woke up and had morning devotional and breakfast and family time and solitude time. And then we gathered for canoes, and then we left for the lake, and then we did canoes, and then we had free time. Our ward had free time from 12:50 to 5:15.
That's a lot of free time.
Because we didn't want to go to the crafts, but I did for like 30 minutes because it sounded fun. And then we did tidy/pack/tidy the cabins.
Tidy the cabin?
Yeah.
Basically
so, like,
clean house.
Make it clean. And then we had evening devotional. And then we had Bishop's night dinner. So like all the bishops like came from the different wards. Then we did ward skits, and then we had testimony meeting, which was supposed to go from 8 to 9:30, which ours didn't. It went from 8 to like 11.
There must have been a lot of testimonies.
And then and then that's what happened with the badger. Okay, so we go back to the cabin, and Jody goes to help Susie with something, and Ray left, and so only the girls are in the cabin. And
how do you know it was a badger though?
Because we all had to go to the bathroom, and Ariana looked outside, and she's like, ah! And she's like, there was a badger! And then we all stayed inside, and we're like, we have to go to the bathroom. Then we're like, okay, we're gonna make a run for it. And so we all, like, everyone went to the bathroom. Yeah, so there's only two bathrooms, and so 2 bathrooms were being used, and then one person finished using the bathroom, and one person went to brush their teeth. So we all went in there, and then Ariana came out, and she's like, "You guys left me!" And so we opened the door, and she's like, "You guys are so rude!" And she's like, "Oh wait, everybody's in here." And then Adriana came out, and she's like, and we're like signaling for her to come in, so she doesn't die. And then Emily was using the bathroom, and we didn't know. And everybody was in there. And Ariana opened the door, and Emily's like, "Shut the door!" It was like midnight when this all happened, and everybody was asleep too.
The leaders just like go to bed.
No.
Sorry.
Jody was down in the 5th ward cabin helping Susie.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
And so we all grabbed hands. Well, after Emily was done, we all grabbed hands, and we ran to the nurse we all stepped outside, and we saw the badger.
What is a badger?
It was
Like a
still
wolf?
out there?
Yeah, it was.
What's a badger look like?
It was scary.
It's
very, very vicious. Badger.
Did it come at you?
According to Wikipedia, badgers are short-legged omnivores in the family Mustelidae, which also...
Omnivores? Does that mean they eat people?
That's what they look.
Oh my gosh! Let me see! Holy cow! You actually, oh wait, where did it go? You saw that?
Not that exact same one, but yes, we saw a badger.
That's freaking scary! Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you're okay.
And so we all stepped outside, and we're like, ah, until we all ran back inside.
In the bathroom? You just kind of hidden in?
We all hid in the bathroom. And then we're like, okay. And Ariana was terrified. And she's like, okay, we're gonna run to
throw a stick or something.
No.
Oh.
They'll come after you and kill you. We just ran to the nurse/cook's cabin.
The nurse cabin, the cook, and be like, ah, there's a...
No, so we all run in, and we're like,
At midnight.
They were awake.
Oh, good.
So that was okay. And they're like, what? And we're like, there's a badger.
Did you know it was a badger right away?
Yes,
or
I
somebody-
saw it.
Or did somebody else know it was a badger?
There was a
You
badger.
knew from looking at it that it was a badger?
Yes, because they showed us a picture.
Oh
Okay.
my goodness. Okay, so
So we stayed up till like 3 in the morning. Well,
how did you get back from the nurse's cabin to yours?
theirs was like right here, and ours was just across from them. So we ran, and I almost ran into the door. So we got in there, and then Anna scooted the table, and
So-
it sounded like the badger was scratching against the door, and we're like, ah! And we all jumped on the top bunks, and you should have seen Megan Gray.
Can badgers climb?
Yes, they
They could have climbed up to the top bunk.
I know, but the door wasn't open, so it was
The door
okay.
was-
But he pranked us. He put sticky notes everywhere. It was horrible. Anyways,
Somebody pranked you?
yes.
What'd the note say?
There wasn't notes, it was just sticky notes.
Just sticky notes everywhere.
Plain sticky notes everywhere.
They could have
covered-
wrote something on it.
You know. Anyways,
So
we stayed up because we're like, we can't go to sleep because we're gonna die if we go to sleep.
the badger's gonna get you, right?
Yeah. And so we all went on to like Megan and Emily's and Anna's bed. And we're like, we're not going to sleep. And then 20 minutes later, you know, everybody's on their own bed asleep. And nobody changed. This is what I wore yesterday.
Gross.
Because I didn't want. Nobody changed. Because we would have to get down from our bunks to get our clothes.
Yeah.
So.
Well, that sounds like an
I
adventure.
know. What'd you have for breakfast today? Muffins and juice?
No. So we woke up at 7 a.m. We only had like 3 or 4 hours of sleep. So
And you pack all your stuff.
So we woke up, and then we had a quick breakfast for 30 minutes.
What'd you have?
Cereal. I wanted cereal. Because you could have cookie cereal, and I wanted cookie cereal. And then we had pack up and clean cabin, or camp, which was horrible. And then we loaded the bus and left camp at 10 a.m. Got there.
This is the Q&A.
Which of all of your breakfasts was your favorite breakfast of the time up there?
Wednesdays because we had breakfast burritos.
And which was your favorite lunch of the time up there?
It's gonna be hamburger.
You had hamburgers for lunch?
Yeah.
What was your favorite dinner of the week?
Yesterday's.
What was yesterday?
It was like Thanksgiving.
Oh
Like,
yeah.
there was ham, there was mashed potatoes and gravy, there was corn, there was salad, there was soda. Yeah.
Awesome.
Soda.
It was awesome.
Probably because the bishops came up, huh?
They want to make sure everybody got hooked up.
Yeah.
It was so unfair though because like Shelby and Lindsay, they gotta use paper plates.
Did anybody else use paper plates?
Well, yeah, all the like guests use paper plates.
All the guests.
But every girl had their little mess kits they had to use.
Yes.
Did you guys have to wash your dishes after you ate?
Well, they had buckets, and so
You just washed them in those?
like there was a rinse, and then you washed them, and then you sanitized.
And then you put them in your bags to just air dry?
Pretty good. So you learned how to wash dishes, huh?
Not really. I didn't really wash them. I just like scrubbed them,
Yeah.
but it already had soap in there, so I'm just
So if we put out 3 buckets, you can take care of your own dishes, huh?
yeah. You just put soap in it, and then you put bleach in.
Sounds nice. So,
Because then you're eating bleach. Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
So what was your favorite dessert?
They didn't have dessert.
What is
Well,
this?
they had dessert yesterday, and it was cupcakes.
Yeah.
Well, and then
There's
they
no
had,
Dutch oven anything?
well,
That's
yes-
dessert?
And then yesterday they had cupcakes. So the
Yeah.
root beer floats because they were better.
Pretty
Oh.
good.
Speaking of root beer
I
floats.
was thinking that too.
Me and Dad got something.
I'm gonna need lunch here in a little bit.
You want to start with the root beer float, honey?
Absolutely.
No, I every day. We had lunch at 12 and so on.
I opened the wrong side of the box. I opened the wrong side.
Ooh,
But look.
your float ice.
Root beer floats.
Oh wait, where did you get these?
These are just like the ones that your fundraiser did. It was strawberry and mango, but these are root beer.
Okay, but where did you get them?
We got them at the grocery store.
Those taste good.
And we also got another kind. You want some flavor?
It does taste good.
Kit Kat.
We got Tiger's Blood. Yummy, huh? Does it taste like a root beer float?
Yeah.
After this, we'll eat some more.
Like root beer and ice cream?
Yeah.
What's it look like inside? Oh, can you push it up?
Brown and creamy.
Brown and creamy. Sometimes it looks brown and
In
creamy.
a good way.
Oh my gosh. Does it taste like a root beer float? Oh my gosh. Is it similar to the mango strawberry texture?
Yeah, it tastes good.
But root beer float. We're gonna have to stock up on these because they're so yummy. We'll have to see which one we like better.
Probably the Tigers.
It's pretty refreshing for a hot day.
Yeah?
It was so hot in the bus. It was like 90 degrees in the bus.
Oh, it does. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It's like root beer ice cream.
I bet you they put root beer in this.
I bet they do
Ice
too.
cream in it and then pressure froze it.
That's so good. When we saw him, Dad said, "Why didn't your fundraiser sell the root beer kind to the Tiger's Blood?" I would have bought a case.
I would have bought 2 cases.
So, first girls' camp ever. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. First root beer float ice cream ever. No, it's not your first shirt. I like that shirt. It says, "This was me."
And then on the back it says, I am brave, I am brave, I am brave.
It's pretty cool how the girls got those. Oh my gosh.
I'll
Now,
show you what I made in crafts.
I think you're
which
going to
we
put all
didn't
this
want
stuff
to.
away. Yes, I want to see what you made in crafts.
When I didn't want to go.
So, you made that?
Mhm.
Super cute.
Kind of messed up here because. Look, guess how we did it.
How did you do it?
Yes.
You put tape on the board.
We painted it all this color.
All blue.
Yeah, and then we put tape however we wanted, like randomly, and then we painted.
Oh,
And then we took the tape.
that makes more sense. Super cute.
Looks lovely.
So did the colors mean anything, or the design you did? No? I know you used teal. Did everybody use that color, or just you?
There was a lot of colors.
That light blue, that teal color is one of your favorite, huh? Yeah. And you like pink too, though. Bags to unpack, lunch to have, naps to take.
Dad, we go check my P.O. box.
Yeah, let's go check the mail. You ready? You gonna go, or you want to take a bath first and get changed? Just go.